Hi my magical creatures and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I'm going to show you guys how to do like a natural makeup look, especially if you have freckles and you want your freckles to show. This is the video for you. So before we begin, this video is being sponsored by Carativa Jewelry. They are a jewelry line. They are like a small business that is still growing. But they went ahead and sent me this jewelry to show and to review for you guys, and I'm actually very impressed with this jewelry line. I would actually go out and buy more jewelry just for the mere fact that the jewelry is so pretty, you guys. Like honestly, you see here this jewelry. So I saw this online, and you know how online like things can look kind of different when it comes in the mail, but honestly when I picked out what I wanted, it came once I unpacked it, honestly it made my day. Like it was very beautiful. I love how shiny this is. It's definitely giving me Sailor Moon realness. And then the necklace too, if you guys can see, this is the necklace that came with it. Really pretty. And then the ring too. So these come in sets. So the type of jewelry that they have on there is like you can get stuff for like your girlfriend, your mom, yourself, sister, aunt, whatever, but it's definitely really cute. And then they also sent me a jewelry box with my name on it, Serenity. They went ahead and so once you buy your stuff, you can get a jewelry box, and then you can put like whatever name that you want on it, and then they kind of like embroidery it. I think that's what it is. But yeah, I really like it a lot. Really cute. And also too, I got this other necklace, and then you get to pick out like your initial. I put J for Jordan because that was, you know, my birth name. So I went ahead and, you know, got that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right in there. And not but least, they also have like this other thing. So like Mother's Day or for like Christmas or whatever, for the holidays, they went ahead and sent me this as well. It's like a cute like little Mother's Day like jewelry box, I want to say. And check this out. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted, but this plays like, it's like a little jewelry box, and it plays music. It's like a little music jewelry box thing, and honestly, I really love this thing. It's just so cute. So I got to pick out like the song that I wanted with this cool jewelry music box. I picked like You Are My Little Sunshine, but if you have like a song that you don't want that's on the list, you can send them a PDF file of the song, like a file. And so I wish I could have done like Sailor Moon, like dun, 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 dun. That would have been like really cool with this. But I don't know, I wasn't thinking at the time. But you can pick out the song that you want, and then you can send it to. But I really love how they did this. I really love, it was very professional. Their site is very professional. The packaging is amazing. The packaging is actually recyclable, so it's good for the planet. So if you love the planet and you want the planet to, you know, be better and stuff, this company definitely supports recycling, you know, stuff like that. So, I'm very impressed. And then also to the jewelry too is not too expensive. It's definitely under $100. So you can definitely buy some pieces and not break the bank. And also too, this is my discount code. You can get 15% off. And yeah, but definitely I love this jewelry, and it's just, I love it, and I love the little jewelry boxes that come with it, and you know, everything like that. So go to Carativa.com to get your jewelry. So definitely on next to the makeup tutorial. All right, so I am doing a makeup tutorial, a natural makeup tutorial, especially if you have freckles. So y'all can see I do have freckles. Yeah. So I'm gonna put y'all on game. So I'm gonna teach y'all how I do like my makeup, but my freckles still show through my makeup. So basically I did research and I would always do like full coverage foundation, but like I never really like, I always just thought like I'm just gonna forever have to cover my freckles, but I found like a foundation where like you can still put it on where it still looks like you're wearing foundation, but your freckles still show. And usually stuff like that could be like a tinted BB cream or like powdered foundation. That stuff could really, you know, still show your freckles and stuff. So you want something that's like a super light coverage, you know, not like full glam, that's like full coverage. So I'm going in with this NYX Hydro Touch Primer. This is like my go-to. I have really dry skin, so putting on like a hydro primer for your face works really, really well. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and go with, so I really love this Patrick Star Turn Up the Base powder foundation. I'm in the shade Light 4. So kind of, it looks like this. So this is the powder foundation, and like the more you put on, the more you can do like full coverage, or if you put some on, you can just dust some on, and it's like, it still like gives you like a foundation look, but it's still like, it's very light. And so usually I just go with this. People have been calling my phone all day and I don't know why, but going with this foundation, and then you want to like buff it into your face. And honestly, I don't recommend putting on powder foundation unless you have a primer on your face, because the powder needs something to really like stick onto, and sticking onto your skin is like the best bet. You can still see my freckles. Isn't that cool? That is crazy. Go ahead and go in with this concealer. So you know how like we go full glam and like, let's say like we take like this and then we go like this, do this, and then our nose and the forehead. We're not gonna do all that. All we're gonna do is just do like a little dot here, a dot here. All you need is really a little dot, because just a little bit honestly goes a long way. And then maybe like on your eyelids too. But other than that, that's all we're doing. We're not doing too much. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. So look, we already look super awake and not have any coffee. So next we're gonna go ahead and go in with our bronzer. I like to take this little mini Hoola bronzer, and I like to take a little fan brush, and then I like to go ahead and, you know, dip that in there and color our cheeks. It's weird how like when you take your eyeliner off and then like you take off your eyelashes and stuff, and then it's like your eyes just look so naked, you know? Just... nose contour. So next, we're gonna go ahead and buff this contour out. Take this Airspun. Take a little like sponge, and then we're just gonna go ahead and just carve out our cheeks with this, you know, like clean it up or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and carve out our eyebrows. So I'm gonna use a little Wet n Wild retractable like brow thing. I got this at like Winco, but you can get this probably at Walmart. It's really cheap. You want to get like a flat brush and go in with your concealer. And we're just gonna go ahead and clean up our brows really quick. Next, you're gonna go ahead and take your eyeliner, You're gonna take your mascara. I like to use the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Effect. Use this, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it on. Go ahead and get our eyelashes. I like to use the 113. Not the 113, it's the Ardell lashes from like Walmart. They look like these. I don't have the box. But, alright, so get your Duo glue, grab your lashes. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just do a line of glue. So I like to go in with my Becca highlighter. There's like hardly any left, but I like to just go on the rims and the edges of it and stick a little bit, because all we need is just a little bit of highlight. We don't really need a whole. We're gonna pick up some highlighter and we're gonna go ahead and do an exclamation point on our nose, and then like that, and then you're just gonna blend that in with a clean finger, like that. And then we're gonna highlight our brow bone area. And then you do the other side again too. Like that. And that's how you put on your highlight. And this is kind of like a very like natural setting to put it on. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take a lip liner in the shade Natural or Nude Beige or Natural, like a natural lip liner. And we're just gonna outline our lips. All right, now that we outlined our lips, go ahead and take a lip gloss. I like to go ahead and go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. And then I like to just go ahead and put that on my lips. This is like some cheap lip gloss I got from Winco. I'm pretty sure you can get this at Walmart too, but it's LA Colors, and this is gold glitter lip gloss. I like to go ahead, take this. It tastes like sugar cookies. Just dab it on your lips like this. And there you go. Our eyelashes are starting to dry up, so go ahead and stick them on your eyes like this. All right. And now we're gonna dust off the powder on our face. This is like the Super Fix Hold by Revolution Super Hold Misting Spray, and I'm gonna just spray that on your face. Okay, so now that our makeup is on, this is definitely an appropriate look. This is definitely an appropriate look. So I definitely, like, you can still see my freckles on, but you can definitely tell I did my makeup. So it's like a very natural look. It's like I'm going to school. You can go to school, go to work, and it's not too much, but I mean, it's just enough to be like, oh, okay, she cute, you know, she natural, she bad, natural, so, but, yeah, but you can still see my freckles, so it's not like I'm really hiding my face, you know, wearing like heavy makeup, so I really like that, but yeah, so let's go ahead and clip on some, like, I want to kind of style my hair too, because I mean, I just kind of want to do a little extra, you know, for the video. That's kind of like it. This is kind of like my, you can customize my hair. I mean, my hair is still a little wet, but once it's fully dry, it makes my hair look